everyone, and welcome to this video on how to add your library PIN number to your Hoopla app. Today I am demonstrating with an Android tablet, but these instructions will also work for iPads. To start, tap on the Hoopla app to open it. If you need to log into Hoopla, please pause the video and do so now. Once Hoopla has loaded, tap on the menu icon in the upper right corner. For Androids, it is a three-dot menu. Tap on Settings to open the Settings menu. For iPads, the icon will look like a clunky, spiky wheel. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find Library Card and PIN. Tap on Library Card to enter your library card number with no spaces and tap Done. Next, tap on Library PIN and enter in your library PIN number. If you do not know your library PIN number, try using the last 4 digits of your library card number. Lastly, tap Save at the top of the screen to save your information. Tap the Go Back arrow at the top of the screen and start borrowing from Hoopla. If you need more help on how to use Hoopla or need to reset your library PIN number, please email us at libraryadministration@kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. Thank you and happy browsing.